We installed these permanent Christmas lights on our house ourselves. And friend to friend, here's what you need to know if you're thinking about doing it too. Here's everything that's included in the kit. First off, the power adapter, and then the power adapter attaches to this control box that has a manual on and off button. Then these are the lights. Each light square has a sticker on the back. You peel off the red paper like this to attach it to the eaves of your house. There are also these extension cables that allow you to skip from spot to spot if you need to. These plastic brackets clip over the lights and you screw them into the eaves with these little baby screws right here. And then of course, there's a little quick start guide. So now this is what it looks like to install them. Start by thoroughly cleaning the area where you'll place the light. Remove the paper backing. Smooth out the cord. Then we used a 2x4 as a spacing block so that all of our lights would be the same distance from the edge of the house. Place the block and stick that light into place. The cord between each light makes it easy to keep the lights spaced evenly from one light to the next. And here's the bracket and the two baby screws, and this light is not going anywhere. Are you ready to see what they look like? Ta-da! Can you believe we did this ourselves? I think it looks so good. You control the colors, the patterns, and all the different effects from an app on your phone, and I think it's super intuitive and easy to use. So I am just super happy and cannot wait to come up with all the fun variations for birthdays and holidays and all the special occasions. There are different models of these lights, so make sure you click the link in my blog post so that the lights you order are what you expect. And I do have a few more tips and tricks for you, but I've run out of room in this video, so stop by the blog for more info. Now go get these lights for your house, they're just too fun!